Ostriches are extraordinary birds that capture attention not only because of their massive size but also because of their unique abilities and behaviors. As the largest birds on Earth, they cannot fly, yet they have evolved in remarkable ways that allow them to survive in the wide, open landscapes of Africa. Their long, powerful legs enable them to run at incredible speeds, reaching up to 70 kilometers per hour. With each stride stretching several meters, an ostrich can easily outrun many predators, relying on its strength and agility instead of flight. One of the most remarkable features of the ostrich is its eyes. Each eye is about 5 centimeters wide, making them the largest eyes of any land animal. These huge eyes give ostriches exceptional vision, allowing them to detect movements from far across the savanna. Interestingly, despite their massive eyes, their brains are relatively small, though perfectly capable of helping them navigate dangers and find food. Their eggs are also extraordinary. Ostrich eggs are the largest of any living animal, weighing more than a kilogram, with shells so strong that an adult can stand on them without breaking. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs, using their feather colors to blend with the environment and protect their nest. Ostriches have a unique way of digesting food. Since they do not have teeth, they swallow small stones to help grind plants and seeds inside their stomach. Their bodies are also adapted to survive in harsh climates, allowing them to go days without water by absorbing moisture from the food they eat. During mating season, male ostriches produce a deep, booming sound that can echo across the plains. Their feathers are soft and loose, giving them a distinctive appearance, especially when performing their dramatic courtship dances. These traits make the ostrich one of the most fascinating and iconic animals in the world.